Hey guys, Dylan back. We're at a car wash right now. It's a donation for a car wash. Here's Daniel. So yeah, we're at a car wash, and I haven't posted something in a long time. Because I've usually been out. I haven't been looking at my phone recently. Otherwise, I'm just doing whatever. So yeah. Now we're gonna watch some people drive the car. I don't feel like doing this. Yeah, and that's what we doing all day. It's kind of hard, but I do it anyway. So, everybody say hi to the camera.
What you gonna do is say, hey, can you
Stupid. Stupid.
all right?
Stupid.
Go on there.
So, yeah, see ya.